Do you love my hair? Oh, you love it? Do my mom look beautiful? Huh? Do you love my hair? Do you think my hair, Daddy?
That's nice, Mom.
Nice?
You look at Lady.
6 o'clock. Kiss too? No. Hi guys! Good afternoon! Welcome back sa channel natin. It is Saturday and it's currently 12:24 ng hapon. As you can see, ayan, fresh ang hair ng mami nyo. Kakagaling lang natin from my hair appointment, guys. I'm with my bestie. Say hi, bestie. Hi. So, Ate Paris kasama ko, guys. And believe it or not, we've been away for 4 hours. Was it 4 hours lang?
Yes.
Yeah?
It took a little bit long.
Yeah, I know, right? Thank you so much for being so patient, my love.
Because I was watching.
Yeah, thank you.
When you say do I watch the phone, I always say yes.
Yes.
I'm not watching. Watching is my favorite.
Pauwi na kami, guys. Malapit lang naman to sa bahay. It's literally 6 minutes drive. And yeah, alam niyo ba? Maybe more than ano pa nga eh. Kasi nag-start ng 8 o'clock eh. Sobrang tagal na tapos, guys. Mahaba kasi yung hair ko, diba? I've done full head foils like what I've done last year. So the last time na nagpakulay ako ng buhok was December, just before we left for the Philippines. So tagal na, guys. 8 months. Tsaka pa ako nakapag-ano ng buhok ko, nakapagpagawa ulit ng buhok ko. Sobrang haba na kasi yung regrowth noon ba? Hanggang dito na, oh. Yes, ate?
I'm excited to see the baby when we go to the hospital.
Ah, yeah, baby Jess. Yeah,
I wanna go.
that's cute. Me too.
I can go for that.
Okay. Okay, sweetheart.
Because it's really
Yung hair color ko ngayon, guys, it is a bit lighter than last time. So, last year, yung kinulay niya is more on brown. But this time, kasi sabi niya, do you like it a bit lighter? Kasi yung hair, guys, kapag medyo natagalan na siya, nag-ano siya ba, nag-fade. So, yung kulay ko, nag-fade siya. So, medyo lighter na siya compared sa first time na pinagawa ko yung hair ko. Sabi niya, do you prefer this color? Sabi ko, yes. Sabi niya, okay, we'll keep this color. So, it's just a tad lighter than last time. So, instead of brown, parang gold ata. May sinabi siyang gold. Sino yung ginamit niya? So, yung hairdresser ko, this time is the same as last year. So, I love her work. Sobrang nagustuhan ko yung hair ko last time. So, ganun ako, guys. Kapag nakahanap ako ng place na gusto ko, loyal ako. So, ayun, bumalik ako, guys. And I love it there kasi nasasama ko si Ate Paris, and while she was like washing and rinsing my hair, nakahiga ako, diba? So Ate Paris can like lay down next to me as well, you know what I mean? So, very comfortable ako naman. And they're all very nice. Even though nasa, ano siya, guys, nasa pricier side, hindi siya cheap, guys. If you're going to think na, you know, you can go anywhere na salon na cheaper, but, you know, obviously, you get what you pay, right? Well, not all the time, but most of the time, naniniwala talaga ako na you get what you pay. So, especially when it comes to my hair, I invest talaga kasi I don't go every month. I go like this time, or 8 months since my last visit. So, I make sure na for the whole, you know, 6 months or 8 months, yung hair ko ay hindi pangit tingnan kahit na, you know, mataas yung regrowth niya. So, kaya yung ginagawa niya, guys, sa akin is parang melt, anong tawag niya doon, guys? Parang minimelt niya yung kulay dito sa taas para just in case pag tumubo na siya, hindi siya harsh na line na magkaiba yung kulay. So, parang nagbe-blend siya. So, you know, the technique that they do, she's really good at what she's doing. Yeah, I so recommend her, guys. If you are in Brisbane, you should visit Epic Hair Design Salon. Marami silang mga branches dito sa Brisbane. But I go to Norman Park and I see Zoe all the time. She's amazing. Are you excited to see Selena?
Did you see her on this wall?
Huh?
Upstairs?
Careful. Knock, knock, knock. Knock, knock. Lagi din. Knock, knock. Knock, knock. I'm super hungry. Are you hungry, honey?
No.
Are you sure?
Yeah. I'm a banana then.
Okay. I just, Mama, put this down. Mama, put this down. What have you been doing, sweetheart? What did you do? What did you do? Ay, did you miss Mama? Hala, habalok, hala. Binug ko sa iyang tatay, guys. Habalok. Nice try, Daddy. Tingnan niyo. Did you do her hair, Daddy? Do you love my hair? Oh, you love it? Do Mama look beautiful? Huh? Do you love my hair? Do you think of my hair, Daddy?
That's nice, Mama.
Nice?
You look at Lainey.
You look like Lady.
Lainey's ready for a little nap.
Oh, like, yeah, no. Nap time? Hey, nap time? Where did you go? Did you have breakfast with Daddy? So straight kami sa bed, guys. Papatulog ko tong bata na to. Daddy ba more para makanap. Ganun. You have a nap too, okay? Ito. Lo. Yan yung aking hair. Wow, sana all. Bahalag wala make-up, basta nindot ang buhok. Ang sabi matulog nila ni guys. Saba kayang isa. Ang isa magsipa-sipa. O panahon man dyan tutoy. Shh. Shh. Bedtime. Close your eyes.
A few moments later.
I'm all good, thank you, honey. Can you just put it there? Thank you.
Yeah.
Alam niyo ba, ang dalawa hindi talaga natulog, guys. Sobrang lakas ng tawa nilang dalawa. Naglalaro sila. Nahihirapan talaga akong ipanap si Baby Celine kapag nandito yung ate niya. Kasi, gawat-awat siya sa iyang ate ba? Gaya-gaya po tumaya. Pag hindi tulog ang kanyang ate, hindi din siya natutulog. Kaya, anyway, sabi ko, kung hindi kayo matutulog dalawa, lalabas si mami niyo kasi magluluto ako ng kanin. Tapos, mag-ano din ako, guys. Ayan, meron tayong Lucky Me. Oh, bigyan naman Lucky Me. Dalawa yung lulutuin ko para bigyan ko rin si Ate Paris. The water is boiling now. Before pumasok ng bedroom, kasi si Daddy Mike nagluto ng noodles. Sabi ko, can you make mine as well? Yung binigay ko sa kanya, guys, ito nga, kasabaw. Pagkalabas ko, tingnan nyo ang kanyang ginawa. Tingnan na yung ginawang pansit canton ng Lucky Me. Sabi ko, sabaw man. Akala niya pansit canton, guys. Ito yung ginawa niya. Oh, my Lord. Kaya Luto na lang ako ng ulit. I love my hair color, guys. Iba talaga kapag ano, no? Yung sa kanila, ano lang, kapag hindi ka nag-book ng ano, kasi iba yung price ng blow dry. Kaya ito siya is, yung dry off lang talaga, yung pagka, ano, after ng color, tapos i-dry lang nila, hindi yung parang wave-wave na ganun, walang ganun, guys. Kailangan yung bayaran yun. Sabi ko na, dry off lang. So, ayan yung dry off. I'm happy naman, okay lang naman sa akin. But yeah, the most important thing for me is the kulay Ayan. What do you think? Ito ay nangingibabaw. Okay. I'm excited for my rice and my LAKI meat. Oh no! Just realized. Sira na pala ito ang ating rice cooker. Magwa-warm siya, guys. Pero pag nilagay ko siya sa cook, ayaw niyang magluto. Oh my God. Let's move it to the ano na lang. Ito siguro yung na ano last time. Remember yung na parang na shortage kami? Ito yata yung nangyari. Magkakape din ako, guys. Meron ko bang naiwan sa akin? Ay. Meron pa. Hindi kaya ako nagkape kanina kasi maaga akong umalis, guys. 7:40. Umalis kami ni Ate Paris. Pero doon naman, binigyan naman kami ng ano, makakain. Dito na ako nagluto pa, oh. So, si Daddy Mike natin, guys, will more. Daddy Mike natin ay umalis. Pumunta din siya ng gym. So, ayan. Salitan kami. So, mga gusto namin gagawin sa, ano, buhay namin. Kasi it's very hard to do, ano na, stuff like, you know, na gusto namin. Kasi, may mga kids na, guys. So, kanina, dinala ko sa Ate Paris para hindi naman masyadong mabigat kay Daddy Mike. So, he looked after Celine. And then, now I'm back. And, yeah, he's doing his gym. And then later on, pagka-uwi niya, hopefully matutulog tong dalawa, ewan ko lang. We'll go drive somewhere and we'll go for a walk, like in the late afternoon. Anyways, I'm just gonna show you, ito yung nirecommend sa akin ni Zoe, guys. Because my hair is, ano na, dry, because of the colors and especially kasi mas light siya ngayon, my hair needs hydrating. So, ito yung in-endorse niya sa akin, guys. Ayan. So, last time, nung nagpagawa ako ng hair doon, shampoo naman, pero ganitong brand din, guys, shampoo. And I really love that shampoo kasi nakakalinis talaga siya ng hair. So, this time, sabi niya, you use this one after the shampoo. It's a mask. You can use it as a, ano, yung conditioner mo ba? So, we'll see what it looks like. Oh. Here. Looks like that. Hihintayin ko lang yung rice na maluto. Tapos, makakakain na tayo. Kape pa more. Ayan. Give us more energy. Alam niyo ba, guys? Last night, I came across one of my video. Yung mga try-on haul video ko when we were still in Melbourne. And I was very surprised. Normally, hindi talaga ako nanonood ng mga videos ko, guys, yung mga vlogs ko before. But yung lumabas na nag-pop up na video for me to watch, pinanood ko talaga siya lahat, guys. Na-enjoy ako ba? Sabi ko sa sarili ko, there's something na different from my vlogging this time kumpara sa vlogging ko 2 years ago. Because that video was 2 years ago nung nasa Melbourne pa kami. And, napagtanto ko, guys, napaisip-isip ko. I think, like, I've got more energy. Yung vlogs ko before, I don't know, sa mga old subscribers natin dyan na hindi talaga nagsawang sumuporta. Alam na alam ko kung sino kayo, guys. And from the very beginning, nandyan kayo, hindi nyo kami iniwan. And nakikita ko pa rin kayong nagko-comment. And I'm very, very grateful sa inyo, guys. Kaya maraming salamat talaga. Kasi nakikita ko yung may mga comment sa video na yon na I can still see their comments ngayon sa mga video natin na mga bago. So, sobrang salamat sa inyo talaga. But yeah, yun yung napansin ko, guys, na I think before yung mga vlogs ko, meron akong energy. Like, hi guys, yung mga ganun talaga, na parang iba talaga yung aurahan, guys, before. So sabi ko sa sarili ko, I think that's one thing na I'm lacking at the moment, yung energy ko when it comes to vlogging. So, siguro kayo, napanood niyo ako before and now, let me know in the comment section below if that's something na napansin niyo rin pagdating sa vlog ko. Yung parang kulang sa energy. At alam niyo, guys, nag-reasoning ako sa sarili ko. Sabi ko, maybe because before it was just Paris and now I have 2 kids. And minsan parang hindi na the same yung energy level ni mami nyo, guys, pagdating sa mga vlog. Although it's raw, my vlog is still the same. It's very raw. Like ito, kung anong nakikita nyo, yun na yun. But I think last year, like last 2 years as well, I have more time with the vlogging. Kasi si Paris lang, 'di ba? So last time Paris nasa childcare, and sometimes me and Daddy Mike nasa bahay kami, or sometimes like when Paris is sleeping, kami and Daddy Mike nasa bahay, nag-video kami. So yung napanood ko na video last night namin ni Daddy Mike is yung my husband rates my outfit video, and I really enjoyed it. Sabi ko, hala, oh my god, gusto kong mag-vlog ulit ng ganun kasi na-enjoy ko talaga siya, guys. And unfortunately, it is impossible at the moment kasi wala talaga kaming time, guys. Like, kung isipin mo, that video is 20 minutes. Saan kami kukuha ng video 20 minutes na wala yung mga kids? Diba? Like, they're always around us. Kaya, yeah, hopefully, you know, soon, we will be able to do those stuff again kasi na-enjoy ko talaga siya. Like, I really love doing that. Oh, the hauls, try on haul, yung mga ganun. Something na hindi ko na nagagawa ngayon. Yung mga unboxing ko ngayon, napansin ko very, din ako, wala din masyadong energy. Especially yung nag-unbox ako ng pink bag kasi yung time na yon, it was already like 1 AM. Hinintay ko na makatulog yung mga bata, natapos ko nang i-iron yung school uniform na Ate Paris, yung ganun, tsaka na ako nag-unboxing. So, obviously, yung energy mo sa umaga, different siya kapag madaling araw na. So, ayun, parang naisip ko ngayon, parang nag-cricket sound ako, guys, kapag nag-haul or parang, ewan ko lang. Siguro, ganun talaga kapag dalawa na yung anak mo, iba na talaga yung energy level mo.
A few moments later.
It's now 5:08 ng hapon. Ngayon lang kami makakalabas, guys. Ito at sa Ate Paris ay nakatulog kanina. Late na nakatulog. So hinintay namin na magising sila, then we'll go out. Hey! Are you going out? Paris, Daddy Mike. Dadalhin natin Paris ang kanyang bike. This one, nilagay muna namin siya dito kasi pag nakita nito na may bike ang kanyang ate, ay scooter pala ang dadalhin. Hey! Why are you crying? Hala, why you got your shoes? No! Tingnan nyo, guys. She's crying because at the moment she loves this. Show tito your favorite shoes, be. She's crying kasi ito yung nilagay namin na shoes. Hindi ko mahanap yung kaparehas niyan, oh. Tingnan nyo, oh, diba? Hinawakan niya.
They're weak.
Oh, witty wick. Oh, witty wick. Oh, okay, keep going. We're going. Look. Wow, nakita niya ang scooter na natin. Oh, it's okay. Tingnan nyo sunset, guys. See sunset? See? Orange. Orange. Punta lang kami ng park.
Mommy, what did you guys? We can go for a walk.
Nagbugat-bugat naman ka na.
Sa mama, go to
Dito lang kami sa malapit sa bahay guys kasi madilim na. Maliit lang na park. At least dito may slide. Our baby Celine loves to slide. Yeah. You can't catch me. Remember that? You can't catch me.
Can we do that again?
Yeah, of course you can.
I'm just gonna put this. Oh, those are mine. I said no now. I said when I put this away.
Lini in her shoes. Look, go, Lini, go.
Me.
Hang on lang, let Lini in first. Whoa! Go on the other side, ate.
Yes. Me.
Gentle.
I'm strong.
Oi, gentle.
Whoopsie!
Hold on. She's scared.
Oh, she slides down. Woohoo! Hold on, Lin. Alright, should I throw it lang?
Done?
Done?
Let go.
Oh. It's again.
Okay, done.
Wait. Auntie, wait.
Ate, wait. Ate, wait, ate.
No, she wants her to go on without me touching her. That's what she wants.
What do you want to do, Ling? You can't Ling,
No, no.
it's might fall.
She wants to do it herself.
Very cute naman yan. Ate! Okay, okay. Good job.
I said push when she did it. Push. I got it.
She hear you, Ate!
Did you take a jacket off?
That's alright. Boo! You okay?
Hey.
Hand? Okay. Open my hand. Good girl.
Remember when we did the exercise and I ran and got up?
Well done.
You have to run up.
Do it properly. You go on the other side.
I don't want to. I'll go
And
from
you
here.
can come. You can do it. Come on.
Hold that thing here. I'll hold you. Here.
Okay, Mama will hold. Come on. Mama will hold. Ayoko talaga nitong slide, guys. Kaya may electricity. 1, 2, 3. Woo! Lainey's done.
No! That's me!
Did Daddy catch you?
No.
You're so fast? Too fast for Daddy?
Yeah.
Job, closely.
Hold on, Lainey. She just slide by herself. Yes. Even here. See, she's trying to hold. Look. See, she didn't ask for help. Last time, she was like, and
Good girl, Lynn.
Mine.
now she's very brave.
Ooh, crazy girl.
It's easy to get up here. Why try to catch me?
Look.
Why try to catch
Woo! Woo! Good job!
Try to catch me?
Barang tots kay Brad. Abay, ano? Singit lang. We're walking towards the grocery store. Let's go get something to eat. Nak, get it in. Bless daddy. Bless her, nak, daddy. Bless daddy. 6 o'clock. Kiss her. Oh. Tingnan niyo, hawak-hawak pa rin ang kanyang shoes. Have a look the price of the petrol. Bakit ganito ang aking camera? Tingnan niyo. Mahal siya pero hindi siya sobrang mahal. Umabot na ng before $2 something per liter. Punta kami ng Coles. So let's go there. Okay? Kita ba? Dito na kami sa loob ng Coles. Asan na ba si Paris? Kasi daddy Mike. I'm looking for pikelets. I don't think they have it. Maybe here. Here it is. Can some of these lang? Oh, they've got minis as well. You and your shoes, Celine. Uy, don't drop that lang.
Naughty.
Naughty. You're naughty. Taka-ara ka. This is cute. Look, you want this? Oh, yum. It's for tomorrow. Kinuha ni Daddy Mike yung isa niyan, guys. Oh, for Kransky. Apat ba? Yeah, for $1.04. 0.4 cents. Sabi niya, kunin mo lang din yung naiwan. Wala mang tao eh. Yes lang. Yes, baby. Huh?
Mommy.
Yes. Yes. What's going on? What's that in your hand? Show me.
Yeah.
La, tingnan niyo. Naghanap ng chocolate. Ay, ate. What are you doing with that? That's your rice. Oh, rice, yeah. Get have for dinner. Okay? Rice. May rice pa ako naiwan. Pati here. Yeah. Kakauwi lang namin, guys. Ito yung mga napamili namin galing. Ala ka, anak! Ba't ka naman nag-yabo-yabo, anak? That's for drinking ba? Not for basa-basa. Ay, kanina mo, sorry. Drink water. Water? You got pork, minced chicken. We've got some burgers, beef burgers.
Mama.
Organic
Cheese.
and grass-fed.
Mama.
Another chicken, minced. We've got spinach, Angus beef and ale, sausages, washed potatoes, steak. In the bin, the bag is broken. This time, parang season ng strawberries kasi cheap siya. This one was only $3.50. I think. Minsan, kapag hindi siya season, guys, umaabot siya ng $7. Baka pa nga tol, tapos dili ka tol. So, bumili kami ng dalawa. Ooh, look at this. Kinahalay lang. This is my favorite. Ito rin yung favorite ng youngest namin. Bunso ko. Yeah. Strawberries. Yummy, yummy in the tummy.
Tummy.
Tummy. Yummy, yummy.
One.
Yummy, yummy.
Here.
Sana matamis.